Hi.
Yeah. So it's 6 o'clock. It's closed.
Yes. So we have some possibilities to see some more cars without people.
Yeah. Oh, well, we'll have a look at this one down here.
Yes, very interesting.
Oh, thank you for. Oh, here, there's one's open. It says new.
This says new. I don't know that one. This is the first one they did.
Yeah.
This is the one with the bathroom in the back, and I think this is one
with a garage in the
bed.
back.
Yes, and the bed in the back.
Let's have a look at this X500 from. Sorry, 550.
Yes, and it's 6 meters long, and it's not very wide. It's like going in a camper van, but you have the full luxurious. I mean, it's not luxurious, but you have the full advantage of a motorhome.
Okay, so let's go in. I'll come in first, and you can close the door behind us. Yeah, because if you close the door behind us, we won't hear that woman who's now stopped talking. Right, so what's the first thing you notice when you come in here?
I noticed that I have a lot of room.
Ah, okay, right.
I have 2 benches to sit on.
Yeah.
And I have a big window here.
Yeah.
And as well behind you the kitchen.
Okay.
It looks really, really big. And you see, there's no bed. The bed is gone.
There's no bed in here. It's just the very latest in campervan technology. Kick the bed out and you get more space. This started when people started getting rid of the forward-facing bench at the back, so
So you can turn the seats in the front. You can turn them, and you have really the lounge feeling.
yeah.
For such a small car, I mean, it's only 6 meters long. You think it's bigger.
Yeah, so it's like 6 by 210, and it's got a really large shower apparently, and it says it's got a smart storage, and as well as a 16-inch. How much is that in real money? 16 inches is 8 times 40 centimeter alu hubs. Yeah. And it's got a big seating group. I know because I've just seen that written over there. And
you can fold the table. So
oh yeah, we can do that.
Way, but you can fold it out,
Yeah.
and then you have a big table.
Yeah, it's a really big table.
Oh, you can sit there. Now it's quite high, but you can put it.
Yeah, it's got one of these
down.
telescopic things.
Yes.
Yeah.
So in the thing, if you look above you, you will see the bed.
Yeah, here's the
That
bed.
comes down.
Let's see if we can operate the bed. I bet it doesn't work. Sorry, it's not. It doesn't work. It's because we can't operate because we haven't got the key. Where does it operate from? Any ideas? It's probably here. Oh, hey, it might be. No key is needed. Let's see if we can work it. No, it's not. It's not working. The reason accidentally it's not working because they very cleverly took the fuses out, and I don't blame them for doing that. I'd have done the same. This is the table incident. I'll go down electrically as well.
But
See,
it
doesn't
goes
work.
down, right down here. So you might take the table down, and then you have a good possibility to sleep.
Oh, I'll give you a little tip here from the rental market. What I have learned from dodgy manufacturers. But when this comes down, right? When the bed comes down, sometimes they don't. Okay, it's going to follow these guide rails, but sometimes it wobbles.
Mm-hmm.
And if it does that, so cheaper brands do it all the time, and very quickly it's going to break somewhere. Okay. So yeah, that's a little tip there gained from.
Yeah.
Here, well, something's broken.
Yeah, this is always like this.
And
we are the testers.
There's the testers. Look, nobody's stolen this yet. Now it's probably glued down. And yeah. So and we've got a bit of what do you call this stuff here? Ooh, that's tight. Drawers with no sides to them. We've got a fridge here as well. I notice.
It's quite big.
Yeah. It says the front of the fridge.
It might go open from the other side as well. I don't know.
No, it's just a one-way fridge. This one.
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm going to say a one-way fridge. It works off gas as well. So that's a three-way fridge, but it's a one-way fridge as far as opening is concerned. That is what you can see electricity, and you've got who's that? Webasto or some dodgy Chinese company has done the heating.
So now you see.
Yeah. It is a really big shower in here.
I close this door.
Yeah.
No, this is the cupboard.
Yeah.
And you can close
So
here.
yeah. I'm locked in the shower.
Yes.
There's me in the shower.
If you need more room, you can use this one.
That's clever, isn't it?
Yes. Now you have
Oh,
your own clothes.
dressing room.
Dressing room.
Yeah. Yeah, when they brought this one, no, the other one out, the 150, I got the dog to do the video.
And you see the shower and the toilet in the back. They're quite big.
Yeah, and we've got this as well, which has been well and truly smudged. A bit of storage. And what do you think's here? That'll be the sink.
No. Yes, there is the sink. You found it.
Yeah.
It looks good.
Yeah.
It's quite big.
I don't like it when the water all drains out immediately.
Yeah,
I think sometimes you know if you
need it.
Yeah, I like to have.
washing.
I know, yes, running
it's quite
water.
heavy.
Yeah, well, that's probably relatively good quality.
Yes.
Although having said that, it's a Chausson, so it probably isn't.
I don't know what happens here. Nothing.
No, that's the back.
That's for the shower.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the back.
Got a bit of storage here as well. Oh, that's where the broken thing is from.
Yes. And this is the cupboard we can put in the chairs and tables because it opens from outside.
Sorry. Yeah, just hit the hit
This
hit
is
the
big,
camera.
Yeah, this is the big problem with this car. You don't have much storage from outside
Yeah,
because you have
that's
all
the
the space.
That's the garage, and the thing is that when you're carrying around extra cushions and things like that, it takes up a huge amount of space compared to what we've actually got in the vehicle. No, that's not going to come down because it's they pulled the fuses. Can't say I blame them either. I would have pulled them as well. And
They knew we were coming to see it.
yeah.
Yes. I think you can convert something like this for a seat.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah, what you've got here, down here, this actually gives the game away, but this is probably under here. There's a back which comes up
there.
and that is your forward facing seat.
Yes.
Because I think that's the law now, that you have to have forward or backward. You can't drive you can't sit sideways anyhow, particularly if you're driving. You can't do it any. They put a stop to that, and it doesn't matter if you're going backwards or in a rear direction. That is permitted, but not in a forward not in a sideways direction. You can often tell though, you can see because they've got a gap here under the seat. That's for your legs down there where the gap is, which isn't coming out on the camera, but never mind. And the seat belt will be under there somewhere.
Yes.
Unless the dog's eating it. And
so, what do you say?
what do I? Yeah, it's all right. Look, what the good points are. This it's really small, 6'6". It's less than. Sorry, it's just over 12 square meters. Footprint was that's positive. You'll want to be able to park it. It's got a large fridge for 134 litres.
The seating is quite comfortable.
Yeah, it's all right, I suppose. The
and
seating.
With the seats.
Yeah, the front seats look okay.
Yes.
So I wouldn't complain. The front seats, I'd be probably sitting in the front seats most of the time.
Yes, and putting the legs up here.
And we've got actually the kitchen's quite not bad at all. There's also a kitchen extension here as well, should that be required. 2 burners I think is fair enough in a vehicle of this size. What with the bed being hidden up there, I mean you can stand up. I can stand up under the bed 175 centimeters. I'm not so sure the colours, but then again I think the colours are. Maybe this is the branding colours.
This year colour. I think last year it was different.
Yeah, I think
they brought it out. Was it last year or the year before that? Yeah.
The first one I was in Osorko, so when I was during COVID. So I think it was February 2021. I think it was.
21 it might be, yes.
Yeah, so I was in
Osorko. So in the
then.
fair they brought it.
Yeah,
22.
Yeah, because the dog did the video. She was still alive, so.
Okay.
And she wouldn't have done the video. She'd been dead.
So, do you want to have a look on the other one?
Yeah, let's have a look at the other one. Let's go over there and see that one. See, so we've got something to compare it to. Yes. There's the X Factor, and how do I open? Any idea how to open the door?
No.
Yeah, that would be funny if we got locked in.
Yes.
Right, so here we've got another one. It says new.
We have to have a look.
Oh, sorry, we didn't get.
First.
Yeah, we didn't get the price. Yeah, 86,007. No, it's probably 86 euros and 76 cents. That's probably the price.
That would be really nice.
Yeah, so it's 4 kilowatt diesel heating. That really will keep you warm, but it does make the point about there when I was talking about, for example, electric. You're not going to get 4 kilowatts of electric heating, for example.
Yeah.
Sorry, constantly, that is.
Seating 4, and you have a sleeping 4 as well, so you can
you make the bed into a
the bench into the bed.
Yeah, you can make the bed into a bench and a table. Yeah,
like that.
Yeah. So we'll go and have a look at this new one. We'll notice it's got a big garage at the back, which for a 6-meter van is actually pretty impressive.
Really big.
Yeah, that's enormous. They've probably taken out something.
Let's have a look.
And so what have they taken out? Well, they must have taken something out. The engine, probably.
Is it a longer van?
Well, I mean, this washroom's great. Look at the size of it.
It's quite alright.
Ah.
I mean, it's a smaller one, but it's still working.
Yeah, oh, I can't open this can't open this with one hand, but never mind. I just wanted to slide the thing across. Yeah.
Is it going away?
No, you press that thing in there, and then you pull the thing out, and the whole thing's supposed to come out.
No,
And that gives that. If you do that, you can then see how big the shower is. Yeah, and we've got a shower head which hasn't been pinched yet, so we better have that before somebody else takes it. And but here we've got the fridge, but this garage is amazing. I mean, we've got a storage up here, but look at the size of that.
Yes.
Wow, you can play football in there, probably play cricket in there, never mind.
Bring the dog and bring the whole family.
Yeah.
And the kitchen
if the
is
dog
quite
doesn't
big
mind,
as
of
well.
course.
I think this van is longer.
I think they're having us on this one.
Let's have a seat. It doesn't. I think the seating here is not smaller than the one we saw in the other van.
Oh yeah. Oh, I'm a bit difficult
this
getting
goes.
through. But
It goes.
yeah. The table moves around.
That's what I like.
We've got.
Please move.
Yeah, they will do. Only it's in the usual place. You'll have to sort of sit in it and then grope around underneath to turn the whole thing around.
Yes. Electric, everything. Battery is done here.
Yeah.
And
yeah, that's all
how
right.
is the feeling?
I mean, I like the size. I like the idea that I can park something, but that amount of storage at the back.
That's amazing.
Yeah, so I mean, that makes it suitable for somebody to spend a lot of time in something like this.
Yes.
And the advantage when the bed is a semi-integrated and you've got the bed over the top, even if the bed, something goes wrong with the bed, you can't get the bed to go up. At least you can still drive the thing, which you can't do, for example, in my vehicle, an integrated vehicle. But you know, for somebody who wants to live in a van, I think this really works.
Yeah, it looks much bigger from the inside than from the outside.
Yeah. So I think we need to see
how long it is.
Yeah, what the vital statistics are, because if not, we're gonna be wondering about it.
Yes.
Right. So
you out. Is it
okay.
going into just
Right. I shall try and let myself out, because obviously normally I wouldn't be sitting down with a backpack on. And so where is the? So it's the X650 exclusive line, and I do appreciate a sense of humour, and they've certainly got one here. It's 90,000 euros, and but where's the technical data? There we go. It is 636 centimeters long, so it's only 37 centimeters. Only 37 centimeters. So it's only that. What? Look, it's like that much. Sort of that much big. Yeah, that much extra. So yes. Where's the rest of it come from?
They put the bathroom on the side and they put the kitchen on the other side.
Yeah, well, that's a really good job they've done that. Hey,
Yeah.
we'll have a look at this from a distance so we can get the whole thing. No, we'll get the other one in, the final shot. The X550, and we've got the X650 from Chausson and Challenger, because I don't want to call them Challenger, but it's just it's in a different colour and Challenger, but it's the same company effectively, just different brands. And that is quite a successful. I need to point something out, I nearly forgot. The 150, lots of people complained of the quality. Lots of complaints.
Really?
Yeah. It's not glued together or whatever it is, or haven't used enough sellotape or whatever. So that there has been a lot of, which is a pity really, because it is a very
Good idea.
yeah, it's a good idea. It's very very original.
Yes.
And for people like me who don't really want to drive something that's too big,
Yes.
yeah, that's and too fat as well, because I mean that 210 is a great width. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you found it interesting. And bye for now.
Bye.